Hello everyone, welcome back again to Genius Learn. I am Jefri Aris Munandar as your teacher today, and today I will be guiding you to explore something that all of you probably already use it every day, even you are maybe not realizing it. So, before we start to explore that theme, let me ask you a question. Have you ever followed a text that tell you to do something like cook noodles or play a board game? If you said yes, congratulations, you have already followed a procedure text. So, for today's main material, we will learn about procedure text. We will learn about everything of the procedure text, like what is procedure text, the types of procedure text, and also the generic structure of a procedure text. Okay, let's proceed. The first one, what is a procedure text? Procedure text is a type of text that provides kinds of instruction or direction on how to perform a specific task. So, procedure text is type of text that tell you to do something by giving you a step by step. So, if you ever follow like a recipe or assemble something you buy from IKEA, or maybe you read a game rules, yep, you are already using a procedure text. Congratulations. Okay, let's proceed. So the next is the types of procedure text. In a procedure text, there are some kind of type of the procedure text. For example, I provide you here, there are 5 examples. The first one is direction. Direction is usually used like how to get somewhere. For example, you want to go to your friend's house, so you need a direction to guide you to your friend's house. And then there's instruction. Instruction is used to do or to do something. So when you are want to do something, you need to like follow the instruction first, right? And then the third is about recipes. So recipes is usually guiding you about how to cook food or how to cook something. That is called as recipe. And then the fourth is rules for games. So I have already said before, when you want to try to play a games but you didn't know how to play it, so you need to read the rules of the games in order to play the games correctly. And then the last one is agendas. Agendas is like schedule or plans in a meeting. So I believe in all 5 of these, you are already used at least one in your daily life. Either it is direction, instruction, recipes, rules for games, or maybe agenda. Okay, so let's have a quick exercise. I will test you about previous materials, so I want you to analyze which one is the types of procedure text. As you can see here, there are 5 points. The first one is newspaper, and then advertisement, and then instruction, and then recipes, and then also opinion. So I need you to analyze 5 of these and try to find which one is the types of procedure text. I'll give you 10 seconds starting now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up, everyone. So let's see if your answer is correct or not. Okay, for the correct answer is number 3 and number 4. It is instruction and recipes. So for every of you who answered number 3 and 4, I say congratulations, you are already understand about the types of procedure text. For the newspaper, advertisement, and opinions, they are not included in a procedure text. They are included in a different kind of text. So let's proceed. In a procedure text, there are also the generic structures that build the procedure text. So in a procedure text, there are 3 main generic structures. The first one is the goal, second is ingredients and materials, the last one is the steps. Okay, so let's talking about the goal or the aim. In an English procedural text, there is an aim or goal section that describes the purpose of the text. It is usually the objective of the text that is also played as the title of the text. For example, how to cook nasi goreng. So if you ever found a text that says something like this, it is usually the title. So that is called as the aim or the goal. So as you can see here, maybe another example is how to make a banana milkshake, how to write maybe how to assemble a chair, how to assemble Lego, and something like that. Okay, let's proceed. The next is the ingredients or materials or tools. After the objective or the goals or the aims, there will be a section on ingredients or materials, which refers to the tools or materials needed to make something described in the English procedure text. For example, here as you can see, the ingredients to make nasi goreng is 1 plate of rice and then 1 egg. The third is a pinch of salt and pepper. The fourth is 1 tablespoon of oil, sweet soy sauce and sambal. It is optional. And then the last one is 1 sausage. So if you ever found like something like this, so it is called as the ingredients or materials in a procedure text. So it is describing something that is needed to make in a procedure text. Okay, let's proceed. The last one is the steps or the method. So in the step of the method section contains the step we must follow in order to make something according to the procedure text. In the section, the steps are written specifically and sequentially to help the readers follow the instruction properly. For example, here, the first step to make nasi goreng is heat up the pan with vegetable oil. After the pan is hot enough, maybe not too hot, crack the egg and scramble it. So in the step section, there will be a text that is written like this. So if you ever found a procedure text that is similar like this, so it is called as the steps or the method. Okay, again, let's have a quick exercise. I will test your knowledge about the generic structure of the procedure text. So I have already provided you here with the example of procedure text. So let's analyze the generic structure. Maybe we can read it together first. This procedure text is about how to make simple creamy coffee milk. There are points in the below of that. The first in 1 teaspoon of coffee powder, and then 1.5 spoons of full cream milk, and then a half teaspoon of sugar, and then a cup of water, and then a teaspoon, and then 1 or a cup. There are also some numbers. In this there are 6 numbers. The first one is take the coffee powder and then sugar and full cream milk into the cup, and then whisk the mixture rigorously by using the spoon until its color become like brown, and then heat a cup of water in pan and wait until it's boiled. After that, pour the boiled water into the cup that has the mixture of the coffee cream in it, and then stir it well by the spoon. And then once it's done, cup of hot coffee milk is ready to be served. So let's analyze the general structure together. Okay, as you can see here, the goal of this procedure text is how to make simple creamy coffee milk. So that is the goal. And then for the materials and ingredients, as you can see here, it is a teaspoon and also 1.5 spoon of cream full milk, and then also a teaspoon and also a cup. That is called as the materials or ingredients needed to make a simple creamy coffee milk. And also there is the step. The step is written in the belowest of the procedure text. As you can see here, there are kind like take the coffee powder, sugar and full cream milk into the cup, up until once that a cup of hot coffee milk is ready to be served. That is called as the step in a procedure text. Okay, that is all about procedure text. So let's wrap up our today's learning. So today we already learned about what is procedure text. We know that procedure text is a text that gives people like instruction to do something, and also there is the types of procedure text like instruction, recipes, agendas, and also direction. It is called as the types of procedure text. And also the last is we already learned about the generic structure of procedure text. You are already analyzed the generic structure together with me. So I believe all of you have already understood about what is procedure text and also how to analyze the generic structure. Okay everyone, thank you very much for listening me, and that is the end of our today lesson. See you in the next video with another interesting topic. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.